Today we're going to be doing probably my favorite thing in the whole world, which is stream fishing, especially for trout. I found this place in the middle of the woods, this tiny little stream, and it supposedly has wild brook trout in it. So let me show you the plan. We are going to be using a tiny hook, and I mean tiny. So look how tiny that is. But anyways, and I'm going to be, they only had Canadian night crawlers at the store, so I'm just going to take a tiny, just like that. Small. All right, now we got all this rigged up, got my ultralight, and we are ready to fish. Oh, frog. All right. There we go. So I got my tiny little bait here, and I'm just gonna cast it into the current. Oh yeah, they're there. Oh, I can see them. Okay, so right here, these fish are just way too small. I'm talking like not even 2 inches. So I'm gonna go and hike downstream and see if I can find a really nice and deep hole that maybe some of the bigger ones are leaving at. Yeah, because they cannot even fit it in their mouth. Can you see that? Okay, so I have an idea. There's a little school in a pool of fish right here. I'm gonna put you down in there. Okay, if that worked, that must have been really cool, because it looks like the fish went right in front of those, and now I can identify what type of species they are, and it's like an extra cooler shot for you guys. So I've been fishing here for quite a while, and there's this really nice pool right here that I'm going to go down and fish, and then I'm just going to work my way back up. If I don't get anything, we're going to go to a new spot. Go, nice deep pool under some nice cover. Hoping there's gonna be some bigger fish. Oh, not some bigger branches. Dang it. Snagged on this big piece of brush right here. Probably spooking all the fish in this hole right now. Oh, come on. Come on. You have to tell me there's no fish in here. Look how good this hole looks. Some nice cover right here. Oh my. If there's no fish in here, or big fish, I should say, I don't know where they'd be. I'm pretty well far downstream. So I was maybe thinking, because maybe just everyone kind of stops by and throws a worm in, all these trout would kind of move down and they'd learn their lesson. But I'm pretty far downstream right now. Like, I can't even see where I came from. Had on a little night crawler and hoping I can get one. All right, come on, trouty, trouty, trouty. Oh, just got a bite. Got one. Whoops. What? Giant glob of worms should catch something huge. If this doesn't catch anything, I don't know what will. Alright, like, just let it. Yeah, exactly. Just let it out in the current. Just let it drift out. It drifts out into this eddy. And that's where the trout hang. Okay, so after I've been trying a little bit, this spot right here tends to be the sweet spot right in there. So I'm just gonna cast it out and let it out there. Oh, just had a bite. Yes, I got one, but I had to like fly fish it in because I have a giant knot in my line. It looks like just a little chub. Look, it has those little spawning colors, just like I did last year. It's pretty cool though. I'm gonna go and let him go. Uh-oh, I got line all around me. Back in the water. Here we go. Back to where he belongs. Wow, that water is really warm. Like, I'm guessing trout must be kind of struggling in this water. Oh my god, look at this. I have it attached to my foot. The string is around my foot. And I have to bring him up. Oh, I got him. Alright. Keep getting excited and think they're trout because they got that little bit of red on them. But, oh, can you hear that? He's making kind of like squawking sounds. Alright, ready? Back off into the water. Well, didn't even get this on camera, but got another one of these little squeaker fall fish things. This one doesn't have the colors, but hear that sound? Bye. Go tell your trout friends to come and bite. Getting a bite? See that? It's a hook. Missed him. I'm gonna send it back down there. Get it. Oh, there we go. What? Hey. New species, I guess. Little, yellow perch. So, I'll let you go, buddy. Thanks for biting. Wow, they are all over this thing. It is crazy. Got him. Whoa. Hey. There we go. This is a little green sunfish. First one of the year. There we go. Beautiful little green sunfish. Thanks for biting, buddy. Guys. Guys. There's giant suckers. Oh! I just had one. They're right down there. These are like 2 pounds. Oh. They're huge. I can see their like mouths just like feeding off the bottom. Come on. They're so hard to see. Their actual bodies, but like I can see their mouths just like feeding off stuff on the bottom. Oh, this is there's like 5 of them. Come on, I can't see them now. I'm trying to spot. Did you just see that flash? This is crazy. If I catch one,